Hi guys, today we are going to reacting to someone reacting to the same video. He's watching Monya Studio. I love Monya Studio. Okay then, let's watch it. Monya! You're back! Bro, this OC doesn't try to sing with the other Sprunkies. Yeah, I agree. I tried. Yeah, I can agree, Gelatin Boy. It doesn't fit with the Sprunkies. This is a Kifrid ear bleep moment. To me, it's not.
The Doctor.
Yeah, this OC is pretty ass. This OC didn't try to sing as this has weird music and it's ear bleeding. The pace 3-1 only.
Oh, you look
Freaking well.
Constellations.
Mume, I don't lick
I love
Babby.
that
That's it.
meme.
You are smart.
I love that meme.